Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're going to start by preparing the phone and charger. First, make sure your iPhone supports MagSafe and that iOS is current so the charging protocol works properly. Next, remove any thick or magnetic case because it blocks the magnetic coupling. Once done, hold the MagSafe puck close to the center of the phone back and let the magnet snap it into place. Finally, plug the puck into a 20W or higher USB-C adapter so the charger can deliver expected power. Once the puck clicks on, make sure it's seated flush. Proper alignment ensures the coil lines up and the phone draws the designed power. You can attach MagSafe accessories the same way. Align the ring and feel the magnetic lock. While charging, watch the on-screen animation and check for warmth. MagSafe uses wireless induction, so a small rise in temperature is normal, but excessive heat means reposition or stop charging. If you need faster charge, remove accessories and use direct puck contact. Wrap up by confirming the battery percentage climbs and any adapter LED indicates power. When finished, peel the MagSafe puck off by the edge, don't yank, to protect the cable and port. If the phone won't charge, try the one-key troubleshooting step. Remove the case and wipe both surfaces to clear dust or metal debris, then reconnect to a verified 20W plus adapter. If that fails, restart your iPhone and reattempt, because software hiccups can block MagSafe negotiation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.